I saw price coming towards on resistance. Daily time frame, it's strong resistance. My pending buy orders are waiting price to come. My second reason is there we have awesome oscillator divergence setup. When divergence occurs, price will make a reversal or pullback. These are the only two reasons to place pending buy orders. Let's wait and see what will happen.
A few moments later.
Price reacted nicely to the resistance. When we have multiple positions with profit, no need to hold forever. I will hold only one position with stop loss. So even price came and hit stop loss, it doesn't matter because I am still in profitable position. I'm working on myself, by myself, for myself. I'm going to be my own hero this time.